Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cut music in CapCut. So it's very easy. This is the easy guide for you. Open the CapCut mobile version and open one of your projects here. So audio first. As you can see, there is add audio a option in bottom of this projects. Here you can so you can choose the sounds from the library or from your directory of your phone. Here, this is the audio. So I want to show you how you can cut it. So tap on your thunder and make a split here, and then make split again. Here you can delete this small part of your audio here. So as you can see, there is a hole, there's a split, or there is a cut of your music or sound here. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. There's a button below. See you in the next video.